Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Roger. Gonna make a quick walk around this grinder here, which is a Chevalier 24 by 60 stroke. A nice feature about this grinder here, it's pretty large size. It's a CNC operated. It's got, of course, the demagnet, of course, with the demagnetizer, and the auto dresser system. So I'm just gonna walk around a little bit here to show you this grinder. As you can see, I mean, the paint is still on. I mean, it didn't move much. So it's relatively new. The slides are beautiful, they've been checked out. They're excellent. Here we see the controller, which is a Fanuc controller. Gonna walk around a little bit more. Okay. We got also the paper system, okay, for the coolant, to filter out the coolant on it. Right now the cover's been removed here on top of the head here because for transport purposes. Spindle is running right now. Okay, so now we're gonna start this one out on automatic mode. First, start the table. Right now it's running manually. I got it set up right now to go down 30 thou to where it is right now. Right now it's at 0. It's been reset to 0, and I want to go down 30 thou with cross feeds of 3" point 500 increments. Z position is at 0. Go down every 4 thou. Fine increments at 8/10 of a thou. At the last 2 thou. Spark out only 1. Pass only once. And we got auto mode also on the wheel dresser system. Dresser pass only 1 pass of 1 thou on top of the wheel. Every 6 thou it went down, it's gonna dress the stone, and we're ready to go. So I'm gonna go cycle start. Okay, here we go. Now it's cross feeding. It's going good. Gonna go on the side a little bit, show a little bit better. Now you can see it cross feeding, no problem. Okay. It soon will stop to dress the stone. It stopped. Table stopped alone. I didn't stop it. It's dressing the stone. Back. It started back. It compensated 1 thou down for what it took off on the stone automatically. Keeps on. Now it's doing the 8 thou cut, 12 thou cut. Remember what I told you? This, every 6 thou that it's gonna go down, it'll stop and then dress the stone. Going fine. Soon we'll stop. There we go. Just stop. Dress the stone. Took 1 thou off. Compensates 1 thou. Back in business again. Alright, now we got 16 thou. It's doing the 20 thou pass right now. 24. dress again the stone. Of course, usually you don't have to dress a stone that often. I just set it up like that just for showing purpose here, to show people how it works. Right now we got 24 tau out of 30 done. I'm gonna swing it around a little bit more. Dresses the stone. Back in business again. Now we got 28 tau out of 30 done. Going fine. I'm going to back up. 29.6. This thing is soon going to stop on its own. What it's going to do is going to part the table. And it's going to go back to the original position. That's 30 tau higher. It's doing the free pass right now, which is a spark out. Park. Up 30 tau. And it's done. Beautiful. It went perfect. Ready to take the magnet off, take the part out, and we're in business. So that concludes a little bit how this grinder works perfectly. Okay. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.